Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of the KnitCrate membership that I'm a part of, and I'm giving this as a giveaway for one lucky person. All you need to do is subscribe and then down below comment what type of yarn was the last yarn that you did purchase, and then I can do the comment random picker. Okay, so I'm going to show you what's in this package from the KnitCrate. So to get started here, you get 2 things of yarn. This is the colorway Mist. It's silk and worsted, 40% merino wool and 30% silk, 30% alpaca. And you get 2 of these. And so with your membership, once a month, you would get 2 things of yarn, and then you get your pattern that comes with it. One is a knit, which is the raindrop cowl, and the other one is the trench scarf here. And then you get the postcard. And on the back is the link for the 2 patterns that it came with for this month. So I can't flip it over because I'll show you the link. So this is $24.99, and if you use my link down below, you can sign up under me, and then there is a code and you can receive 20% off your first membership. And if you stay tuned to the rest of this video, I'll walk you through their website and how it works, because you can earn points for being a member of their website, and buying anything off their website. You can earn points that you can use towards purchasing other things. Okay, and so all you have to do is just comment down below when was the last, or what type of yarn you purchased recently for the comment, and I can do the comment random picker for this YouTube video. And just make sure you subscribe, and then I'll pick one lucky winner, and I'll tell you when this giveaway is over in the title down below. Okay, so thank you for watching, and stay tuned. I want to share with you their KnitCrate website. If you decide to join as a member, the link is listed down below in the description. And how it works is you can use their point system. So every point you earn 1 point for every eligible dollar you spend, and then every 200 points gets you $10 off an order. And when you do join, you get 50 points, and then you earn 1 point for each dollar spent. And you refer somebody, you earn 100 points. And if you do refer somebody, you can go under the affiliate program and sign up, and you get 20% off of every person that's under you, and you can earn from them from their monthly crates. Now if you do sign up, you can sign up for a KnitCrate membership, which gives you premium yarn, 2 patterns, 1 knitting, 1 crochet. Or they have the ARTISAN crate, which you get 2 exclusive knitting patterns, 1 beginner, 1 advanced. The KnitCrate, you get a crochet pattern. Then they have a sock crate monthly plan where you can receive yarn with their sock pattern. And then they have another sock yarn club, which is similar. Then they have their shopping. They have yarn, project kits, patterns, tools, supplies, 25 and under. You can earn $10. They have contact and then detach. So shopping, they have yarn. Their exclusive premium yarn is listed. Then they have project kits, and they have patterns. To choose from. If you just want to do individual patterns, like this one's $5, $3, $3. They have tools and supplies. And I really like this bowl here. And 25 and under. And then you can go through and just mark crochet to refine your search. And then I'll show you what is available in the crochet. And 20% off if you want to do the affiliate program, and earning $10. So basically, if you do sign up for the KnitCrate membership for $24.99, you get free shipping every single time. and it's a value of $58, but you're getting it for $24.99 with free shipping. You get the hand-dyed yarn, 1 knitting pattern, 1 crochet pattern. And then savings at least 25% on selected items through a new members only section, which is called the Member Central if you become a member. And then each month you are a member, you earn 25 cash points to redeem on the shop, 1 point per $1 spent. And this is the website and how it works. And there's the Member Central, which you're able to do that if you are a member. So you can just click and join, or you can sign in if you're already a member, and the link is listed down below to sign up under me if you'd like, and I can help you if you need any assistance with anything or have any questions. What I do like about this site is that there's lots of discounts, and it's fun to get a new pattern every month, and you can use those points to receive more discounts, and you can also earn some more points or percentages off of your order if you tell your friends and family about it or other people about it through the affiliate program. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already.